Let's break down the C program step by step so even a beginner can follow it easily. It starts with hashtag include stio.h, which tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, so we can use functions like printf and scanf. I hope that makes sense. In the next line, we write int main. This is where the program starts, and the int means the function will return an integer when it finishes. Okay, pretty simple so far, right? Inside the main function, we declare 3 integer variables: first, second, and temp. These will store the 2 numbers we want to swap, and the third one will help us do that. I hope you're with me. In the next line, we use printf, enter value of first. To ask the user to type the first number, it just displays that message on the screen. Then we use scanf, %d, and first to actually take the input and store it in the first variable. %d tells the program we're expecting an integer, and first means we're storing it in the memory location of first. Cool, right? Alright, next we do the same thing for the second number. Printf, enter value of second, shows the message, and scanf, %d, and second, takes the value and stores it in the second variable. That part's done. Now comes the swapping logic. In the next line, temp equals first means we're saving the original value of first into temp so we don't lose it. Think of temp like a small storage box. Alright, now first equals second. Puts the value of second into first, so now first holds the new number. And finally, second equals temp. Puts the original value of first, which we had saved in temp, into second. And just like that, the values are swapped. I hope that clicked for you. After performing the swap, we move on to display the final result. In the next line, we use printf. After swapping, first number equals %.2lf, first, which prints the message along with the value of first. The %.2lf means we're showing the number in decimal format with 2 digits after the point, making it look neat and professional. Then, we have printf. After swapping, second number equals %.2lf, second, which does the same thing for the second number. Both values now reflect the swapped result. It's clean, it's clear, and it tells the user exactly what happened. And finally, we end the program with return 0, which tells the system everything ran smoothly. Let's walk through a quick example to see how this works in real life. Imagine the user enters 2.20 for the first number and 4.45 for the second number. So before the swap, first is holding 2.20 and second is holding 4.45. Now when we go through the swapping steps, first we store the value of first in the temp variable. That means temp now holds 2.20. Then we set first equals second, so now first becomes 4.45. And finally, we set second equals temp, so second becomes 2.20. Just like that, the two values have been swapped. Now when the program prints the result using printf, the output shows, after swapping, first number equals 4.45, and after swapping, second number equals 2.20. And that's exactly what we wanted. Smooth, accurate, and beginner-friendly. Alright, you just saw it in action. If you got this, you're definitely on the right track. Keep practicing and you'll be coding like a pro in no time.